Cause it. Give them open and close. Give them open and close. Give them open and close.
I know. Supposed to go leave us now. No, follow you now.
Hey guys, it's Skid here and welcome back to a brand new video. So as some of you guys already know, last month I went back home and I did a lot of stuff. I had a lot of fun with my siblings. I did the shooting challenge with my brother. If you haven't watched the video, you can go check it out. And basically, yeah, I had a lot of fun over there and it was finally time for me to go back to Lagos. So I got on my PC and embarked on a Golda ultimate search for a cheap flight, because you know what, man's on a budget. So here we go. There are two airports that I can possibly take my flight from back to Lagos, which are the Kaduna airport and the Abuja airport. And so I made my search and reference to them, and I came across two flights, one in Kaduna and the other one in Abuja. But here's the thing, Kaduna is like 2 hours away from me and Abuja is like 4 hours away from me, I guess. And the flight in Abuja is way cheaper than the one in Kaduna. And I was like, 2 more hours drive isn't really a big deal to me, and besides, man's on a budget, So I went straight ahead and booked my flight for 5 p.m. in Abuja, and chakala boom, my phantasmagorious trip to the promystificated land of Lagos began. Finally, man got to Abuja safely and sound. But I was tired and I was standing in the sun and I needed to get a cab ASAP and go to the airport because I need to catch my flight early. So I reached out to my pocket, brought my phone, and ordered for a Taxify cab. He eventually came after 5 minutes.
That's what she said.
This is where things got heated a little bit, so just pay attention. As I got in the car, the driver straight up told me that he can't take me to the airport because if he does, he's not going to be allowed to take a passenger back to the town, and for that reason I need to pay 5,000. 5,000 guys, 5,000 naira for a 10 to 15 minutes drive to the airport. I was like, wait, what? Let me educate you guys so you guys will understand this issue well. So the airport has a rule that no taxi driver from the outside can come into the airport and take passengers to the town. For you to be able to take passengers from the airport, you need to be registered with the taxi system in the airport. So if you are using Uber or Taxify or any kind of stuff like that, you can't take passengers. You can only bring passengers into the airport, but you can't take passengers out of the airport. So for that reason, they will charge you double the amount you're supposed to pay. I think I was supposed to pay 2,000 or something, but I ended up paying 5,000. So you guys can see where the issue is coming from. I was a little bit disappointed that I was gonna pay 5,000 for that little trip from the town to the airport, but oh well. It was just 5k, it's not the end of the world, and I was in a haste. I need to get to the airport ASAP. So well, I proceeded to the airport. Guys, what's up? So I'm in Abuja right now and I'm heading to the airport. My flight is at 5 p.m. and I need to get there at least an hour before my flight because I don't want a situation whereby I'll go there late and I'll get the middle seat because that's not cool. So yeah.
It's cause I'm #blessed. You looking like a model in that Balmain dress. Black and white leather like the boy play chess. So I'ma need a minute or a second to finesse. Cause you sexy, you test me, you deadly. I want you to want me to get me. I know you, you know me, so let's see. I can't lie to ya, I won't lie to ya. Tell me you love me, you fuck me. I want you, you need me, I'm lucky. I know you, you know me, so let's see.
I know. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, so come on. You are snapping who? Or you are just covering the road?
Yeah.
Where are you going to?
Lagos.
You live in Lagos?
Yeah.
Or you just want to travel to Lagos?
I live in Lagos.
You're not supposed to go leave us now. No, follow you now.
So you stopped me, I wasted my time, and you're telling me now to take you to Lagos. My brother, you're a beggar.
Finesse, cause you sexy, you test me, you deadly. I want you to want me to get me. I know you, you know me, so let's see. I can't lie to ya, I won't lie to ya.
Guys, I finally made it. I'm about to go. Bought the aeroplane. Yeah. Actually, I came here 4 on the dot, so yeah, I beat the time, you know. I'm not late. I just hope I get the middle seat, because that's all I'm after. Guess who is bad at window side? All the rush was worth it, because all I wanted was to stay by the window side and get the footage of the flight. So yeah, I'm tired, but I'm still happy that I actually made it to this base. I got the seat by the window. Yeah, I'm really tired, guys. Man's about to get to ride back home. Okay. So yeah, guys, I just landed in Lagos right now. I'm about to go home right now. Like, this journey has been a hectic one, seriously. Like, I started it, I think, very early in the morning, around 9 o'clock, and it's currently 7:10 p.m. so I spent 10 hours on this journey. Like, it's crazy, but I just thank God I arrived safely back in Lagos. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, it's night already, I can't show you guys anywhere around Lagos because it's night, it's dark, no, you can't see anything. So alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and let me know if you like this kind of story time and slash vlog kind of thing. If you do like it, please let me know in the comment section below. And I want to give a quick shout out to Biryadi. If you want a shout out as well, all you need to do is follow me on Instagram. I'm actually following anyone that follows me till I hit 600 subscribers. So if you want to follow back, be sure to follow me on Instagram. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Peace.